Hey, what's up everybody? Joshua Casper back at you with Plugin Boutique, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at HeatUp3 by Initial Audio. This is a truly unique synthesizer with a lot packed into it, so I just want to show you around to give you the general tour so you can jump right in when you go ahead and grab it. Links as always in the video description if you want to check out more details. So when you grab HeatUp3 from Plugin Boutique, you get 850 presets. Now what's really cool about HeatUp3 is these are multi-sampled instruments. So it's not like oscillators in the traditional sense of analog style shape synthesis or wavetable. These are actually high quality multi-sampled patches from modular synths or actual guitars or brass instruments or what have you, and they have been sampled across the keyboard or across the traditional range for that instrument, and you have full access to it inside of HeatUp. Now, of course, once you have your sample loaded, you have a ton of options to work with inside of HeatUp3. Let me go ahead and drop HeatUp3 on a new channel. And let's come in here to some sequences and just hear what we've got. Oh yeah, if you come over to the sequences page, this is where you can actually start laying out your own sequences. So you've also got presets for sequences. So right off the bat, I've chosen one random sequence here, and I'm already digging this. And of course, I can come in and edit these if I wanted to. Let's check out the next one. So that's just a few of the presets inside of the sequences. So, but as I said, you get a ton of presets. If I come in here to all presets, you can see here the list of categories is incredibly long. It's 850. The download is quite large, but that's because you're getting all of those high quality multi-samples for each one of these presets. Over here, we've got our filter. We've got our filter types, resonance, the amount, cutoff, attack decay, sustain and release, so the ADSR for the filter itself. On the right over here, we've got the master. Again, we've got an ADSR for the master. We've got drive, if we want to overdrive the signal. Standard gain, standard panning. Down here at the bottom, we've got quick access to our reverb, delay, and chorus. However, you do have many more effects. And these effects are the same here. So you can see if I change the width of this reverb inside of my quick access, it's changing inside of here as well, and vice versa. But not only do we have all of these great effects to choose from, we can easily rearrange them in terms of sequence order or chain order by just clicking, dragging, and dropping. There's also the oscilloscope, where you can actually just see the waveform here. It's very pleasant to look at. And in terms of settings, we do have different skins to choose from. If you turn rainbow mode on, the harder you press a key, the color of the key will change. It does have MPE mode, which is multi-dimensional polyphonic expression. This has to do with new MIDI standards and different controllers that can support it as well. But if you do have one of those controllers, MPE mode is available inside of HeatUp3. Now that's not all. There's also expression controls, where you can add velocity, pressure, aftertouch modulation wheel, keyboard tracking, velocity sensitivity controls, ADSR. These are envelopes that you can apply to all of these different destinations in and of the sense itself. The same with the LFO. You can send any one of the 2 LFOs to 4 different destinations. And the sample is really cool as well. We have atmospheric layers we can add to any one of the presets. So pink noise, white noise, tape hiss, so on. And then we have a gain for that, ADSR for that. And then we also have a release key or electric spark, a finger slide control that we can add to any of these samples as well. And then we have whether or not we want it to always happen, so you can turn it off, and we have a gain in 2. So even though you don't have access to any oscillators, you do have an incredible amount of control over how the presets sound once you get into them. Now, with 850 presets that are coming in the stock download of this instrument, I don't have time to jump into them all, but the trial version is available on Plugin Boutique if you want to click that link in the video description to jump in and check them out for yourself. I highly suggest you do that. This is an incredible synth with incredible sonics, and I'm happy to have it on my computer inside of my DAW, ready to go whenever I need it. Anyway, that's a quick look at HeatUp3 and what it has to offer. I'm Joshua Casper here for Plugin Boutique. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.